Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the Raid Shadow Legends game. So let's get started right away. If you don't wish to receive any notifications from the Raid Shadow Legends game on your device, then first of all, locate the game application and simply long press on it. You will then see the application info button at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be taken into the app info page. Now, if the application is still running, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner in order to stop the application. Once the app has been stopped, tap on Notifications underneath Privacy. And now, if the Allow Notifications button is turned on, then this means all of the notifications from the game will be allowed on your device. So simply turn this toggle back off. And now, this will disable all notifications from the Raid Shadow Legends game on your device. And now, you can enjoy the game without any notifications on your device. And you can turn these settings back on at any point of time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Raid Shadow Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.